In today's video, we are going to create an amazing poster design in Photoshop. Grab your mouse as we dive in. First things first, we are going to create a new document. Choose a solid color. Copy this as code. Create a new layer with a soft-tone brush. Opacity is set to 100, foreground is set to white, and we are going to click once. With the layer selected, we are going to set blend mode to overlay, Ctrl J to make a copy. Now set blend mode of the copy to normal. Create an exposure adjustment layer. With the mask selected, Ctrl I to invert with a soft-tone brush. We are going to reduce the opacity. Foreground is set to white and we are going to be painting some back. Reduce the opacity. Now let's grab our assets for this tutorial. We are going to copy this. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Position and adjust this. Now we are going to grab the rectangle tool. Now change the hex code to this. With the move tool, select the layer, press Ctrl A and we are going to align that. Ctrl D to deselect. Now drop the layer. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl T, we are going to transform this. With the layer in place, we are going to create a mask. With the mask selected, grab the gradient tool. And we are just going to drag to erase. With the layer selected, press Ctrl J to make a copy. Now position the copy right about here. Select the mask of the layer and grab the gradient tool. And we are just going to drag to erase. Make an extra copy by pressing Ctrl J. Position it right about here and reduce the opacity. Now we are going to grab all these layers together. Ctrl C to copy. Ctrl V to paste. We are going to position this right about here. With the layer selected, Ctrl J to make a copy. Now grab the polygonal lasso tool. Create a selection this way. Once we have a selection, with the layer selected, create a mask. With the mask selected, press Ctrl I to invert that. With the move tool, we are just going to adjust this a bit. With this layer selected, we are just going to create a new layer right above it. With the subtown brush, foreground is set to white, opacity is set to 100, and we are going to click once. With the move tool, we are going to transform that a bit. Set the blend mode to overlay, and reduce the opacity. Now create a curves adjustment layer above all layers. Reduce the opacity. With this layer selected, we are going to create a mask. With a mask selected, zoom in and we are just going to be masking a portion of this with a hard round brush. Foreground is set to black and we are just going to be masking it a bit. Then we are going to paint some shadows. So with the layer selected, create an exposure adjustment layer clipped right onto the layer. With the mask selected, Ctrl-I to invert. With a subtown brush, foreground is set to white, hardness is set to 0. Reduce the opacity, and we are going to paint some shadows. Create another exposure adjustment layer, clip onto the layer. With the mask selected, Ctrl-I to invert. With a subtown brush, we are going to paint some shadows. Now we are just going to add some textures, play with the blend modes, and we are just going to adjust the opacity a bit. With this layer selected, we are going to make a copy and rasterize a copy. Now create a new layer with a subtown brush. Increase opacity, foreground is set to white and we are going to click once. With the move tool, we are going to transform that a bit. Right click and we are going to clip that. Set blend mode and reduce the opacity. Once we have everything in place, we are going to press Ctrl Alt Shift E to merge all layers, convert the layer into a smart object, and we'll go for camera raw.